On Friday's video, we talked about the elimination method. Hold on, ask me after the lesson. Ask me after the lesson. Yeah, yeah. So here's what we did Friday. Thank you. We reviewed the elimination method where you pick one variable and you have to do some math to the two equations so that the coefficient in front is both the same number and one of them has an opposite sign. And what's magic about that when it's the same number and one has an opposite sign? They do what? They cancel out. Okay, so you are eliminating one of the variables. Now in this problem, you could do the x's or the y's. Like neither one's really that much easier than the other one. In my opinion, the y is slightly easier. Why do you think I would say the y is that already has opposite signs, right? But it doesn't really matter which one you do. Like if you wanted to eliminate the x's, you could multiply everything here by -4, and then you would multiply everything here by what? 3, because that would make -12x, positive 12x, and they would cancel. Yeah, that's just an accident. But if you wanted to cancel the y's, you would need some different numbers. They already have opposite signs. So if you multiply the top by 5 and the bottom by 2, that would make this y a 10y and this one -10y. And then when you add up and down, they would cancel out. The thing is that you can't just multiply that one piece by 5 or the one piece by 2 because you ruin the equation. You have to do the whole thing. So really what we need to do is distribute this 5 into everything and this 2 into everything. And so now our new equations look like this. 15x plus 10y equals 50 plus 20, 70. And then on the second one, 8x minus 10y equals -24. And then what do we do with those two things? Yeah, we just add them up and down, okay? So which is canceling here, the x or the y? The y's. So this gives me 23x equals 46. So 70 minus, yes sir?
And then you add x and you get y.
Divide by 23. X equals 2. And then just like the other two methods we've already learned, we did graphing, well not like the graphing, so we did graphing and then we did substitution. I guess just like substitution. How do we find y? To the original equation. Doesn't matter which equation you pick.
You can honestly do the other original.
So let's go with the first one. 3x plus 2y equals 14. I'm going to put 2 in for x. 6 plus 2y equals 14. Subtract 6. 2y equals 8. Divide by 2. Y equals 4. Why do I not want you to stop right here and just box those? That's exactly right. I want an ordered pair because it's a point of intersection for those two lines. Okay? And this process is what you're doing on your worksheet. You do not have to do that whole worksheet. Let me tell you what I want from you. I want you to do either evens or odds, front or back. So that'll be just like 6 problems total. Show your work. It's due today. The boxes that I drew in there, I want you to check the box if you got it right the first time, because did you notice the answers are already on there? So you can check as you go. If you got it right the very first time, just check the box. If you didn't get it right, rework it until you get those numbers and ask me for help if you need help. This is a completion grade, so it doesn't really matter if you're getting them right the first time or not. It's just completion. But your work must be shown, and for credit, you must be using this method, the elimination method, okay? For full credit, you have to use that one, because that's what we're practicing. And then you can have your music while you work. Tomorrow we are doing a review day, because Wednesday is the test. So if you have any missing late work, or you have to retake or make corrections on something, that has to be done before the end of the day Wednesday. Okay, begin.